Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruby, in case you don't know already. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to make a thumbnail with your phone. Thumbnails are those pictures you see just beside the title of a video. So I'm going to quickly show you guys on the YouTube page what a thumbnail looks like. So guys, this is the YouTube page, and as you can see, these are thumbnails with the captions. Let me scroll up so you guys will see some other thumbnails here. These are some videos that I downloaded. You can scroll down, and if you want to attract views to your video, you need to have a click worthy thumbnail. So in this video guys, I'll be showing you how to design a click worthy thumbnail with your phone. I'm going to do that from scratch, so you might want to watch this video to the end because it's going to be very detailed. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and also don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you get notified once a new video goes up. So to create this thumbnail, I will go over to PicArt and click on PicArt. That's the app I'll be using for this project. Then I'll go over and choose collage. Here we have three options. I'll choose background. I'll click on choose background color. There are so many colors here, but the background color that I want to use is red, so I'm going to go ahead and click on red. You can choose whichever color you want to, and then I'll come over here and click on this icon. Okay, so it will bring me to this page. I'll click on red and also click on add. So here I'm going to click on this icon. I'll come over here and click on tools, and I'll select crop. So the ratio YouTube requires is 16:9 ratio, so I'm going to click on 16:9 ratio. So for YouTube thumbnails, you need 1280x720. so I'm going to enter that right here. I'll clear out this one and enter that right here. I'll select it. It brings me to this point. I click on OK button. So now that I have my background, I can start importing my photos. So right here, I'll click on add photo. It will take me straight to my gallery, and I'll choose the picture that I want. This one is a screenshot from one of the videos that I did. So I'm going to expand it to my choice. I can decide to leave it halfway, but I want this to spread all over this red, leaving just a little red by the sides of the thumbnail. Okay, so how to do this? You can just click on the picture and drag with your finger. So once you're okay with what you have, you come down here and click on OK. So guys, this is what we have. I'm going to go ahead and start adding some photos. I'll click on photo, and it will take me to my gallery. So I want to add this red right here. So I'll import it to this page, and then I'll also hold it and drag just to minimize it to the size that I want. With this tool here, you can either reduce the opacity or increase it. Here I'm going to leave it at 86. So I'll come down to this add button. This plus is like the add button, and I'll choose text. So it brings me to the text page. So here I'm gonna type how to make. So here, if you want to change the fonts you have here, you click on pick add fonts, and it's going to bring you the fonts that it's available here. You can also download online, but these ones are the ones that are available. So this is the font that I want to use, so I'm going to go ahead and choose it. So coming over to this point too, you can change the color. We have different colors here. We have red, we have different colors. Whichever one you tap, you see the color on the side of the page. Click on white. So click on OK, and it brings me here. Click on this icon, this good icon. Okay, now that I have this, it looks quite big. So if you want to resize this, you just touch the text icon. If you want to increase it, to drag it out. If you want to decrease it, to drag it in. So I'm going to increase it a little. So I'm trying to make some adjustments right here. So I want to add another photo here. I want to add white. Some of these colors you can download them from, even though I got this one from PicArt, but you can download those ones from Google. And I'll resize. So I also go here and click on add. It brings me to my gallery, and I'll choose this YouTube icon. This was downloaded from Google too. I want to place this on the white pic we have here. So I want to add black photo to this, so I'm going to click on add, and it brings me to this page. I'll choose black and add, and coming over here I will also resize just the way I've been resizing the other ones I imported. So here I'm going to reduce the opacity. Just touch this icon right here and drag to the side you want it to rotate to. If you want to rotate it up or down, whichever way you want to do it. So I'll go to add, select text, and it's going to bring me to this text page, and here I'm going to type thumbnails. Then I'll click on add. Right here I'm going to also resize it to fit the black that I have here. So I want to add this YouTube icons. I'll click on add. Just the same process. I'll touch and resize and drop it where I want it to be. I'll click on add, and it will bring me to this text page. So I want to change this color we have here to black, so I'll click on this white, I'll choose black, okay, and the color changes. So I will also come here and change the font. I don't want the regular font that I've been using, so I want to change to something else. So over to this font page, I'm going to choose the font that I want. So this is the font I want to use for this project. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. I'll click on OK, and it brings me back to my main page. So I want to see if I can rotate this small. So once you think you're okay with what you have, you go ahead right here and click on OK, and this is ready to be used. So if there are some other things you can also add to this in case you want to express sadness or something, you come over here and click on text. It brings you to the text page. So come right down here and click on this emoji, and it brings emojis you can use. These are the ones I recently used. Maybe you're not happy, so you can just choose this one here. This one shows someone who is not feeling happy and all that. You can also delete it before you click on OK, and I also want to show you some other things you can add to it. Click on text. Probably want to use love. You come here, click on love, you OK it, it takes you to the page, you resize. Maybe you want to use something to cover the face of the person. You don't want the face to be revealed. You can use love, you can use anything, place it there, resize it. You can leave it there. You can delete it if you want before you click OK. Honestly, there are so many things you can do with this app. There are so many things about this app that I like, and the fact that this is absolutely free makes me cool. So I use this to design all my thumbnails. Like, I'm very cool with it, and it's an offline app, so you don't need an internet connection to use this. Once you're okay with what you have, you click on this, come to this drop down and click on it. So right here, you're going to see Save As. So I'm going to clear out this big art we have here. I want to save this as thumbnail. Then I'll click OK, and it saves to my gallery. So if you want to see this picture, you go to your gallery, you're going to see Pick Arts. then open it, and this is ready to be used. You can upload this to YouTube. So guys, this is it. If you like this video, please, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment sections the app you use to create your own thumbnails, and also let me know the videos you would like me to do next. Until next time guys, keep crushing it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.